Hello, fellow traders. So, as expected, the VIX is turning down a bit. Yesterday, we failed to take out the 2320. We did elect one bearish at around 2090, I think. But today we have another one bearish at 2080. So, we have a turning point as well today and a direction change. So, if we fail to take out 2080 by the close. That means like 4:15, and we close above Tuesday, which is 2053. This thing might spike pretty high. Um, I will explain in the private channel how high and where is it going. Needless to say, on the monthly level, we took four bullish reversals. That means a change in trend, and I don't know what's happening. Maybe it's because of the elections, but this thing might move very quick, very high. Don't hold me against it. I was wrong before, so do your own research. Stay tuned.